To my Jamaican people, please don't worry yourself. I have no doubt that we are going to be building back stronger than ever because we are one of the strongest set of people in the entire world. People have died, people have nowhere to live, some people have nothing to eat, no clothes to wear, no electricity, and I have a contractual agreement that I have to fulfill in Dubai this week. But what people know, you can always count on me to play my part immediately after. Everybody from overseas, if you know you got Jamaica, go vacation and take a raft picture, put on a dance hall or a reggae song in your yard for turn up the vibes, make sure say you go and donate now to keep the culture alive. This is not a joke thing. Sincerely, a Jamaican.